Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a file from mobile phone to computer with Snapdrop. Okay, first thing first guys, you need to open the Snapdrop. You just need to type in Snapdrop in the Google Chrome, and then you're going to open the Snapdrop website. Just open the Snapdrop, and you have to open Snapdrop on other devices to send files, and I'm going to open the Snapdrop on my computer. Wait. And keep in mind guys, you can transfer using the Snapdrop only when both of your devices are using the same network. Okay, in your computer or laptop, you have to search for Snapdrop. Just type in Snapdrop and you have to open the Snapdrop website. Okay, this is the website and open it. And you have to wait until your phone device appear right here. Okay, and this is my phone's device. And I'm going to go back to my phone. And we can transfer a file from our phone. Wait, I'm going to transfer a file. Okay, and this is the file from my phone and I'm going to save it. You can also transfer a file from your computer to your phone. Just click on the phone and then you're going to choose a file you want to transfer to your phone. I'm just going to select this one and we can click on open. And now the transferring process is running. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Snapdrop to transfer file from mobile phone to computer or vice versa. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.